Hello everybody and welcome to this lesson. This is Year 6 English SATs revision for spelling, punctuation and grammar. So this is a good example of some of the spelling, punctuation and grammar questions that you can possibly expect in your SATs papers in next year. So various questions, there are 65 questions altogether. Every single question is different. So let's have a look at the first question. So which one of the following sentences must end with a question mark? So let's have a look at these questions. So the first one states the teacher asked them what they were doing. Okay. B, I wonder what time the next train arrives. C, did she play tennis on your team last year? Or D, he asked if he could use my pen. So which one do you think will require a question mark after the sentence? So I would go for C here, because did she play tennis on your team last year? So it's a question. So it will require a question mark. So every question is different in this case. And we kind of go through the spelling, punctuation and grammar syllabus, just identifying certain questions for good practice. So have a good go at this. Take your time. And we'll follow up in our detailed lesson and go through all the questions one by one. Good luck. Thank you.